Hello everybody, this is Rajiv. Today I'm going to be unboxing a product which I got from Amazon. The product is going to be an wrist-based compass. So I got it for the pricing of 510. That is 460 plus 50. 460 plus 50 of shipping. So it comes to about 510 rupees. And so let's open the package what we have inside. This is actually a wrist-based compass. Well, I basically purchased this for usage with my watch, actually, not using it separately as a wrist kind of compass. Well, we have, today we have the digital based compasses with our phones basically. I have an iPhone, I have a Lumia, and all those have actually the wrist based compasses, but a mechanical compass is always useful, when your digital thing is actually dead. So for that purpose I purchased this one. So let's go and open this thing, what we have inside. That's the product. Pretty small, I guess, not sure, so let me open it. So there's nothing inside, there's a cardboard here. So this is just an invoice, let's go. And that's the product. So there we have, it shows a wrist compass, waterproof, impact resistance, luminous dial, jeweled pivot, adjustable Velcro, wrist strap. Okay, so that's a wrist compass. The company's name, I don't know how to pronounce it, is Coghlan. So that's the company's name. It's a liquid fill compass, and of course we have the other details here. Convenient means of checking your course of direction, all the stuff. The pricing actually given in this thing is actually about 550. So he's selling it for 480. So it's made in Taiwan, printed in USA. So let's open this thing. So there you go, that's the wrist strap here. Okay, I don't know if this is accurate. Okay, this is 20 degrees off, I suppose. Let me keep it with this. Okay, let me try it with my phone. So that's a compass I have with my iPhone here. So let me check this with this. So that's the north direction. Okay, this side is south and this side is north. And I checked it here. So this shows exactly almost the same north direction. It's about 5 to 10 degrees off. So it doesn't have to worry. Okay, I have to actually shake a bit, and that gives you the exact reading here, north. So here we have comparison here. So that's the north, and here it shows the north as well. I'm sorry, it's gone. I think you have to keep away from your phone. If you're gonna do that, it will show you a negative reading. So keep it away from your phone and it shows a north degree. Okay, so that's the wrist kind of thing. Rubber band here, and actually has a Velcro. Using this would be a little awkward. Okay, so, and you can actually also use it with your watches, I suppose. Maybe you will fit your 22mm watch strap, I supposedly think. So you can take it out and you can use it as your, this one you can use it with your wrist too, if you're gonna just be hitting your thing. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use this with my watch. This is my watch, and I'm gonna use this thing with this thing. I don't think it will fit pretty nicely, but let me try it out. Maybe it may fit it up, or may not be. It's okay. Fits really tightly. Doesn't even enter. Okay, so it's a little. You may have to. Okay, this is actually completely molded one, so maybe it will fit really tightly. I don't think it will enter in. Maybe because this is a rubber strap, so I may have to use some force to get this thing down into my watch. Maybe. So no, it'll take some time for me to get into this watch wrist. Okay, so this is actually a little damaged, I suppose, because you can see that that's the thing actually is a little bent here. So getting it into my watch is pretty not so great, but no, this one actually is luminous. Okay, that's what it is mentioned. So let me try it out in my darkness maybe. I don't think this is luminous. If you can just see we have inside here. No, not luminous. Okay, so it doesn't work in darkness, so that's a fail. Okay, I mean, okay for the pricing you're paid up. So if you're gonna get this thing done, maybe okay product. So that's all with the product, guys. I mean, I'm gonna just put this like this into my watch here. Okay, so it may look decent with my watch. So that's all with the product review, guys. If you have any questions, do ask me in the comment below. Do subscribe to my videos, do like my videos. I'll get back with another review soon. So until then, take care and aloha.